Hello gorgeous! Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm so excited to get to share this thing with you because I found something that has completely changed my life in the sense of it saved me so much time. So a few days ago I asked you guys how long it typically takes you to dry your hair, and basically everybody agrees that it takes too damn long. I for sure fall into the category of it takes too damn long because this is all my hair. I've got very long, very thick hair, and it could take forever and 3 years to dry it. Typically it'll take me 40 minutes, 45 minutes, sometimes even an hour. And this thing dries my hair in like 15 minutes, sometimes even quicker. If you're like me and you really hate blow drying your hair, I think you're really gonna like this. This is called the Pro Cabello blower brush. It's a styler and a hair dryer at the same time. So this retails for $300 regularly, but you can get it on morningsave.com for $39, which is like a dramatic difference if you ask me. I'm the worst at giving myself a blowout like the normal way with like a blow dryer and a brush. I'm terrible at it. I just can never get it right. This gives you the ability to really give yourself that blown out effect without having to really work that hard, which I like. I just love this thing. I really don't know what I did before it. Honestly, if this wasn't a sponsored video, I would still make this video because like that's how good it is. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. It's so simple, so easy, and I think it can really save a lot of you a lot of time, especially if you have really long hair, if you have a lot of hair. Let's go. So here's how I like to use it. I like to start by gently brushing away any knots and tangles because you want the blower brush to glide really easily throughout the hair. You don't want it getting stuck anywhere while you're trying to brush and dry your hair at the same time. Then I go ahead and I start sectioning off my hair. This step might seem like it's more work, but it honestly saves you so much more time, especially if you have a lot of hair, if you have long hair, thick hair, but really anyone can benefit from this. I just think it helps you be more precise and effective and focus on drying what needs to be dried instead of going over the same spots multiple times when it's really unnecessary. You can also use this on hair that's already dry as well if you're trying to just smooth out your hair and get that blown out effect. So this is just really easy. It's really like you're just brushing your hair but blow drying it at the same time, and it gives that nice shiny effect, which is probably my favorite thing about it. It's not that it's just quick, but it really makes the hair look just overall a lot better than it does when I use a regular blow dryer. This does have technology that makes it a lot easier on your hair. There's negative ions, tourmaline. People that are really into hair and hair tools look for things like this because it's just a lot gentler on your hair and it produces much better results. There's a lot of options with this thing. I mean, you can even use it to give yourself kind of like a rough blow dry the way you would with, let's say, a normal blow dryer. All you have to do in that case is just hold it a little bit farther away from your head so that you're not using the brush part of it. So a major key when you're blow drying your hair, no matter what you're using, is that you always want to keep the device moving. You don't want to be holding it in any one spot for too long. I find that really helps to prevent damage. I think this is worth every single penny. Like I said, it's available at morningsave.com for just $39. There's a link in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. I think it's so worth it. I see blow dryers that are hundreds of dollars that don't do what this does. It also has different heat settings. I always recommend finishing off with a blast of cool air whenever you're done blow drying your hair. It just really helps to lock in the style, make things shiny and smooth, but it also helps to really cool down the hair. It's just the quickest and easiest way that I found to dry my hair. I honestly could have even done this quicker than I did if I wasn't filming it as a tutorial. Ever since I got this, I haven't even touched my normal blow dryer. Like, I have tucked it away because I'm like, this is all I need right now. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. I'm really focused on trying to help you guys save more time, and this is one of the things that I think is key, especially for those of us who have really long hair that just takes forever and 5 years to dry. So I hope you like it. As always, I look forward to talking to you again very, very soon.